Welcome to Rochelle's channel, and I'm here to show you one more experiment called lava lamp. For this experiment, you need water, oil, Alka-Seltzer tablets, which I already broke and kept it in here, food coloring. My sister is gonna choose red. I'm gonna choose blue. We're choosing the colors of the American flag. And you need 2 glasses. So okay, let's start. We added the water. Now we have to keep twice the amount of oil. That's enough. Now keep twice the amount of oil. More oil than water. You have to keep more oil than water. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's doing only 4 because her favorite number is 4. I'm gonna take my food coloring and add 5 drops. I put oil and water, now the food coloring. Now we have 2 pieces broken to 8. I'm gonna have 2 and my sister's gonna have 2. Okay, here it goes. Now my turn. It's coming up. It's going like a windy tornado. Look at all the drops coming down now. Yeah. We can keep more if we want. 1. Let's add more. Let's add more. Wow, it's interrupted! Wow! The red cheese is like a real volcano. This is like a magical blue one. Let's keep some flashlight underneath it. Now we turned off the lights and we kept flashlights underneath it. Looks really cool. And it smells really good. That's because of the tablets. It's a tornado when the loop is up, forming in the ground, and it's going a tornado into the sky. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Click the bell and subscribe to our channel.